How to invite friends in Grand War 4. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you're trying to squad up and play together with your friends in Grand War 4, then you can easily invite them to the game. Before inviting them, first make sure that you have your friend's invitation code. Once you do, go to the Community tab from the bottom left after opening up the game. Go to the Invite Friends tab in the top and you'll see a Enter Invitation Code text box. Make sure you type in your friend's invitation code correctly. Once they receive the invitation, they'll need to join into the game. Once they accept, they'll join your team or alliance. So that is how you can easily invite friends in Grand War 4. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.